Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to resize image in Filmora, change framing easily, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device and import the media that you want to use. So if you haven't added the medias that you want to use onto your end, simply click onto the plus icon in here to browse onto your different files or simply drag and drop the images or videos that you want to use. So I have added an image already in here. To add this here onto the timeline, you could simply drag and drop it or click onto the plus icon to proceed. Now, once you have added that, you could see that this is the current ratio or size of the image. For us to be able to change this, for instance, you want to go ahead and make this portrait for a phone. So we're going to go ahead and head here under File, and then you should be able to see project settings, and here on project settings there should be an option for you to change the aspect ratio. So the aspect ratio in here is actually widescreen, since this one is the default one. To change this, we have 9:6, Instagram, standard, and many more. So we're going to use 9:16 in here since this one is the standard one for phone. So we're going to click onto that and click onto OK. As you can see, it did automatically change the size of the image, and if you want to go ahead and have this fit onto the portrait size, just head here under basic and we have here scale. So make sure this one is locked out so that X and Y will be changed together. So we're gonna go ahead and swipe it like this to resize this, and as you can see, we just easily resized the image in Filmora. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.